this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the black borders on your laptop or computer. So if you're seeing black edges around your monitor, to fix this, we need to open up the Start menu. You can then search for Settings and click on this window here. In the left-hand side, click on System, click on Display, and next to Scale, make sure this is set to the recommended number, which is 125% for me. Also make sure the display resolution is set to the recommended amount. You can then scroll down to the bottom and click on Advanced Display. Now click on the drop down arrow and go and select the display that you're having an issue with. You then need to click Display Adapter Properties for this display. You can then go and click on Monitor. And if you have an option here to change the refresh rate, you need to go and select the highest number of hertz available. Once you've done that, you can press Apply and OK. If you don't see the screen refresh rate here, you can just come back down to this window, and where it says choose a refresh rate, click on the drop down arrow and make sure the highest number of hertz is selected. And it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.